we're going to the Fishtailz magazine's motorcycle show, and it's an indoor show, and we're heading over there right now to go check it out and see exactly what's going on. Looks like it's a pretty well attended thing here. Looks like there's quite a few people here, and there's bikes everywhere, people riding around everywhere, so I think it's going to be a pretty good event. This is the first or second annual, I think, that they've had here. So I've never been to this show, so I don't know what to expect. But Fishtailz magazine's put it on. In fact, there's a few episodes back where I ran into the owner of Fishtailz magazines, and he gave this show a plug. So we're here to check it out. So looks like there's a lot of stuff going on here. I mean, it looks pretty fantastic. So we're gonna head over and check it out. All right, I'm here. We made it to the chopper show, the super show, Fishtailz magazine super show. And they have got bikes galore in here, man. It's an indoor show. It's nice and cool. A lot of people in here. A lot of great bikes. There's stuff, unbelievable stuff in here. So let's take a look around and see, you know, what we got in here. This is pretty dang cool. Let's start right here, all right? biker. You go biker too. That's right. Yeah, man. Cool, cool. So, what you ride? Oh, all right. Great. I got a self-kill too. We got two of them actually. Yeah. That's cool, man. You ride up there? No, we drove up. Actually, there was a chopper show up in Boston. Yeah. I went to that too. And on the way back to Fresno, I stopped at this one. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's a good show, man. So, well, nice to meet you, Lewis, man. We'll have to go ride sometime. Yeah, brother. All right, man. All right, well, you have an Instagram over there? No? Okay, well, Lewis is under the radar. So, anyway, nice to meet you, Lewis. All right, thanks, buddy. All right.
show's great. There's a lot of cool stuff here. We're outside right now. There's a little area outside where there's a few bikes and some vendors and stuff. And but I tell you what, it's really nice inside because it's air conditioned in there. And man, they're great bikes here. These are just like, most of these are like Viclas, and they've spent a lot of money on some of these bikes. These things are really customed out. Yeah, there's a few really cool bikes outside here too. We'll take a look at those. But man, this has just been great so far. how cool is that?
They had to build that. They put the brackets in it. Yeah.
That dude doesn't get much cooler than this, does it? This thing's wild, man.
That's crazy. Yeah, he won't sit in there.
You can put a person in there. Skinny guy or a dog.
Dog.
Doesn't look like anybody's been in there in a long time. That's spiders riding in there. That thing looks like a spaceship, man. I love this. Oh, this is really cool. I'd love to be able to find some accessories like that. I think it's just beautiful. That's fantastic. It's fantastic. And out here by itself is a lone little shovel head bobber. Real basic. Beautiful. It's the only one I've seen since I've been here. Beautiful little bike. Yeah, that's a great little bike. Beautiful. Look at that thing. Out here all by its lonesome. friends, that's it. That's going to wrap it up here. It was a great show. Indoors, it was nice and cool, and they had a little bit outdoors too. Really, really great motorcycles in there. There was some stuff in there that was just, you know, gosh, spend a lifetime building a bike like that, you know what I mean? And a lot of money goes into it, a lot of care. Amazing stuff, you know. So it's been an amazing day, and I'm glad that I could share it with you guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, hit the little bell, all right? And what's going to happen is that subscribe button, we'll be friends for life when you hit that. The little thumbs up, that lets the YouTube folks know, the algorithms and stuff, that you like what I'm doing. And also the bell lets you know when I upload new content every Tuesday and every Saturday right here on YouTube. That's right, the Blues Heart Biker channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I really appreciate it. All right, we're getting close to 2,000 subscribers now, and so, you know, I think I need about 30 more. So tell your friends to subscribe to the Blues Heart Biker, all right? And be safe when you're riding, and be safe, be cool, be nice to other people, just generally be good, all right? Be a good person, do your thing, have a good time all the time, and that's pretty much it. You can't miss, all right? So anyways, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time right here on the Blues Heart Biker channel.